Okay, so we are going to do a walkthrough of my box for Concord 9th virtual summer camp that starts actually here in about 15 minutes. And I'm also testing new video software because I got a new computer, because I'd gotten a new camera. It's a long story. Anyway, long story short, the software I was using won't work with the new computer. But the camera that I bought as for the new camera wouldn't work with the old computer. So, you know, go Logitech. I'm so annoyed. Anyway. So, Concord 9th Summer Camp, I guess they also do a Christmas one, which this box I was really impressed with, so I probably will be doing that as well. So, first up, you've got your field guide, and this gives you your schedule, who the teachers are, and then pictures and directions on, all of the cards that you'll be doing throughout summer camp, and each of the instructors, it looks like, has 2 different cards. We got blending brushes, and you know how I love my little bitty blending brushes like this, so this was awesome. We got mini ink cubes, and the colors on the ink cubes are also the colors for your cabin names, and I am in cabin Parsley. We got a little card that's just adorable, tells you which cabin you're in, and gives you a list of what all is in your kit. We also got a little free die storage sheet from Scrapbooks and Cards Today. We've got little spools of twine and thread and whatnot for the projects. We got a repositional adhesive runner. And 3 little bags of shaker fill and embellishment type stuff. So we've got some sequins and then some little clear dots. Or not dots, like drops, that's what I'm trying to say. A whole sheet of enamel dots, a cute sticker that will be going somewhere in my room. I just haven't decided where. You also got a gift that was from your counselor. So for Team Parsley, we got this cute little hot air balloon die, which is absolutely adorable. And then we have our stamps. So we've got this big sentiment set here, more sentiments here. I need to be watching the camera, and I guess it is still kind of hopping with the autofocus, which drives me crazy. This one goes with this, there's a cake die set here that's adorable. And then they're Turnabout Stamps. So these work where you like stamp, and then you turn and you stamp again, you turn, you stamp again. And they have like you end up with a pretty pattern with all of these different elements on it. It's really neat. I've never used one before, so that will be fun. We've got a bunch of stencils here, and why can I not find the opening? Okay, so we've got a peach. It looks like it is a layered die, so you've got, or a masking die, so you've got your peach and then you've got some stripes. We've got a watermelon layering die as well, and then we've got this cute sunrise with the trees, and then like a mask. I would assume that's maybe for mountains. I guess we'll find out, won't we? And then this is a turnabout jig. So this goes with that turnabout stamp to put in your MISTI to help you line up where that's going to go. We got a whole bunch of foam strips, which are always helpful. And then we have our die package. Okay, so we've got Celebrate Today with balloon, huge Celebrate dies and confetti dies, which is awesome. Got a little banner die. We've got this one that also goes with that stencil with the trees. We've got, this is the cake die. So apparently like a little piece of cake slides out or something. I'm really excited to do this one. I haven't had a chance to really dig too much into it. We've got flowers, and then we've got sentiments. So there you go. Got a pencil for taking notes. We got our little camp badge that says I'm a happy camper. And then we have all of our papers. So So I've got a whole pack of white and colored cardstock, and then a whole little stack here of pattern papers as well. So really, I mean, this is, you know, I've been doing a lot of the virtual events, and honestly, you know, for as crappy as the whole COVID mess is, you know, this has been the one really cool thing to come out of it, is all of these virtual events that all of these companies started hosting. And, you know, something for like stamping and cards, I'm not going to travel to go do that because I make a gigantic mess when I do cards. As opposed to mini albums, I can work in a space like, you know, 18 by 18 and like not, you know, it's fine. Cards, this room will be destroyed by the time I'm done. So it's, you know, that's been really fun, and I really hope that companies continue to do this because, you know I'm not the only one who really enjoys doing the virtual events like this. So there's my walkthrough. Hopefully this new software is good. This one I can at least see what I'm recording. I had another one I've got in demo mode right now that looked like it was going to work really well, but my preview on the screen was like this big, and I'm like, yeah, that's not going to work. So we'll see how this goes, and thanks for watching. Bye.